Ooh. Let's get it. What's going on, YouTube? It's your boy, the Retro Wiz Kid, the shoeologist, man, and y'all rocking with your boy in the sneaker dungeon, y'all. So, today, man, we're going to be giving y'all an unboxing, man. No, this is not the unboxing that I thought I was going to be giving y'all. This is actually another one. And as y'all can see by the background and the thumbnail as well, best hand in the game. Yes, Lord, I got one. Another one, y'all. Finally, man. You know what I'm saying? Shout out to my big bro. He know who he is, man. Bless me with these things, man, for the retail, bro. So happy to get these, man, and add this colorway to the collection. This is actually one that I thought was better than the other. So I kind of copped them in the order that I wanted them. So without further ado, y'all already know what time it is, man. I'm going to just keep talking to y'all. If this is your first time tuning into the channel, though, hit that subscribe button, y'all. Ring that notification bell, man. That way y'all don't miss anything on the channel because, you know what I'm saying, I be dropping some heat. At least I like to think I drop some heat for y'all. You know what I'm saying? We're on the road to 750 subscribers, y'all. Appreciate all the subscribers and everybody showing your boy, the Retro Wiz Kid, some love, man, on the channel. You know what I'm saying? I really appreciate that from the bottom of my heart. Let's get into these kicks. So, as y'all see, man, it is that Retro 1 box. So, what color do y'all think your boy got? What color do y'all think y'all boy got? Did he get the clay green? Or did he cop the blue moon? Either way, y'all already know I'm trying to complete the pack just like I did the Gatorade ones pack. Trying to complete the pack, so let's go ahead and get into it. So as you see, we got that stamp, pow, straight from the States, man. These came from, you know what I'm saying, City Gear, you know what I'm saying? Yo, big bro, I really appreciate this, man, for real. There it is, y'all. There's nothing like smelling a fresh pair of new shoes. Which one y'all think I got? And if you said the clay greens, then you right. That's right, y'all. Your boy picked up the clay greens, man. I had to, y'all. You know what I'm saying? I'm so hyped. Woo! Yes, Lord. Another one. Y'all, your boy picked up the clay greens for the retail. My bro hooked me up, man, for real, man. And just by looking at the shoe, man, you know, I would say that it has the same quality as the other ones. Just feeling it off the back, man. And I mean, I just think this is a really, really dope shoe. Now, yes, man, yes. Still got that nice suede going around it. Matter of fact, let's go ahead and get some close-ups on this joint, and we're gonna talk a little bit more while I hit y'all with that B-roll. Let's get it. So right here, you see we get hit with that black toe effect, that nice, you know what I'm saying, black toe effect with that clay green on the, and the white on the side panel, man. I think they did a great job, superb on the quality of the best hand in the game pack. Getting a little closer right here so y'all can see. Look at that side panel, man. That thing is just nice, man. I must say, man, the swoosh got a little tumble to it, man. And it's actually only on one pair, but that's okay. I think it is flame. You know what I'm saying? The bottom getting a touch of the clay green, just like all the other ones. The bottom of the shoe matches. Give y'all a little front right here so you guys can see. You got that nice, you know, black toe. Man, I just think that it was a dope concept. I actually think that I like this pack better than I like the Gatorade pack. I think the Gatorade pack might have had a little bit, you know, the leather was a little bit more tumbled, but who cares? Like, I love ones. Hitting us with that nice clay green Nike Air. Yes, Lord. Now, in the right shoe, right here, as you all see, we got the Hall of Fame playing cards, y'all. Now, this pair represents, the clay green represents the full house. It represents the personal accomplishments that Michael Jordan had, which were Defensive Player of the Year, Offensive Player of the Year, you know what I'm saying, his championships and being inducted into the Hall of Fame. And as you see, each card has a different type of accolade on it. Moving into that left shoe, y'all already know, just like all the other left shoes, you just got that basic, you know, playing cards where, like I stated before, if y'all haven't seen the other reviews, it's just, you know, it looks like a basketball court with the Wings logo as the half court. You know what I'm saying? And you also had that Jumpman card in there as well. All right, y'all. So I hope y'all enjoyed the little review over the unboxing, the pickup, man. As y'all see, now your boy's only missing uno, you know what I'm saying? And then there was one, you know what I'm saying? So, yeah, man, let me know what y'all thought about the Clay Greens, man, and what y'all pretty much thought about the pack. I know I asked that on every video, but always, man, I'm gonna ask that just because we still talking about it, man. The track reds and the yellow ochre are set to release tomorrow, so we're gonna see how that go. I'm trying to get a couple more pairs, so we'll see how that goes. But yeah, man, it's your boy the Retro Wiz Kid, man. If y'all haven't yet joined your boy in the Sneaker Dungeon family, go ahead and hit that subscribe button, ring that notification bell. Follow your boy over on Instagram at the Retro Wiz Kid. And y'all already know, man, we on the road to 750 subscribers, y'all. So appreciate everything. Y'all already know what time it is, man. Like always, your boy about to spin them pictures, man. I'll catch y'all tomorrow. You dig?